Meaning of impostor.
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 Impostor. The word impostor refers to someone who pretends to be someone else in order to deceive or trick others. This can refer to someone who assumes a false identity or who claims skills or qualifications they do not possess. Imposters can be found in various contexts, such as in the workplace, politics, or social media. In some cases, imposters may be harmless, but in other cases, their actions can be harmful and result in serious consequences. It is important to be able to identify and recognize imposters in order to protect oneself from potential harm.